In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively transfer a site using manage.wix.com. Whether you're passing on the management of a website to a client, a colleague, or another owner, these steps will ensure a seamless transition. Let's dive in. Firstly, open up your preferred browser and go to wix.com. You'll need to log into your account by entering your credentials. Logging in is essential as it gives you access to all the websites you manage, and it's the first step towards transferring your site. Once you've logged in and are at your Wix dashboard, look over to the transfers and see the transfer site option. This is what you'll click to begin the site transfer process. This action takes you into the transfer settings where you can carefully manage what components of your site go over to the new owner. Now you'll want to type in the email address of the person to whom you're transferring the site. It's crucial that this email corresponds to their Wix account. If it doesn't, they'll be prompted to create a new account, leading to potential delays or complications, so make sure to double check the address before proceeding. Next, it's time to decide what you want to transfer along with the site. This includes domains, premium plans, and roles and permissions. If your domain is registered with Wix, you can opt to transfer it along with the site. Similarly, if you're running a premium plan and you want the new owner to manage the payments and benefits, include that in the transfer. Understanding who will assume roles and permissions post-transfer is vital. So make a choice that fits the context of the transfer, whether it's to a client, an agency, or someone else. Each choice can have different implications, so choose wisely. With all that sorted, click on Continue. At this point, you might be prompted to review your selections once again. If so, take this opportunity to ensure everything is set correctly, then click Continue once more. Now, it's time for the final step, which is clicking Transfer Ownership. This action finalizes the transfer, effectively passing the management and control of the site to the new owner. Before you wrap things up, a Got It button will appear to confirm the completion of the transfer process. Clicking this will close the transfer wizard, and you'll have just successfully transferred your Wix site. Congratulations on completing the process. This straightforward guide helps you manage your digital assets efficiently, ensuring everything continues to run smoothly under the new